Okay, so this is problem 1b from 14J. So let's just go through it. We're asked to sketch 2 sine 2x minus root 3 for x between 0 and 2 pi. So there's a few things we can see right away when we look at this, that our amplitude is going to be 2, and we've been shifted down by negative root 3, and our period is going to be equal to 2 pi on 2, so it's going to be equal to pi. So because we're looking between 0 and 2 pi, we're going to have 2 cycles, okay? And so let's start and see what else we have to do. So we're going to have our sort of midline. If we've shifted down negative root 3, we can pop that in here as a horizontal line that we're going to oscillate around. And because we're shifted down minus root 3 and we have an amplitude of 2, that means we're going to have a maximum at 2 minus root 3, and we're going to have a minimum at negative 2 negative root 3, okay? All right, so now we want to know where we're going to cross the x-axis. We can do that by letting y equal 0. So let y equal 0 to find solutions for x. So if we have 0 equals 2 sine 2x minus root 3. So let's just get that in terms of sine 2x. So we get sine 2x will equal root 3 on 2. Now, because we know our exact values, we can work out the angle. So for now, let's let theta equal 2x. Okay, so if we let theta equal 2x, we can now solve for theta. Now, when we're doing that, basically what we're doing is we're taking the inverse sine of root 3 on 2, which we could do with a calculator, but because we know our exact values, then we know that we're going to have theta, root 3 on 2, that corresponds to an angle of pi on 3, and also 2 pi on 3. And then for the other values, we just need to add on 2 pi, okay, to both of those. So we'll also have 2 pi plus pi on 3, and we'll have 2 pi plus 2 pi on 3, okay? So we can clean that up. We'll have pi on 3, 2 pi on 3. This will be 7 pi on 3. And this will be 8 pi on 3. Okay, so we've solved for theta, and we know theta is 2x. So now we can solve for x. So x will be pi on 6, 2 pi on 6, 7 pi on 6, and 8 pi on 6. So those are the values where my graph is going to cross the x-axis. So we can draw in our graph now. So remember, it repeats after pi. Okay, let's go up, down, up, down, and back up to the centre at 2 pi. And our values here, here, okay, so here we've got our pi on 6. This crossing here is our 2 pi on 6, or you could write that as pi on 3. And then we've got 7 pi on 6 and 8 pi on 6.